No, because of
in
the
your
concert.
stereo.
Because of the concert, right now I'm listening to Martha.
Let's drop back a little bit.
But I feel right now that the Bailando song is on.
That is
Vinca.
Vinca, yes.
Yes, I think the Bailando song is doing it.
Okay.
Yes.
You've listened to it?
Yes.
Okay, any other song?
Do that everywhere. You
Literally,
go.
even if you're wanting to listen to your music, you listen.
You're Okawuya Kasabula. Yeah,
Okay.
so I think Bailando is doing so good. Azawi is doing good. I love Winnie Nwaji. I love Shiba.
Okay.
I love Irene Tale. I love Spice Dana. So I feel that it's just someone speaking out their mind.
Have you been friends with Kapa before all this? If I ask you my maiden question of that of that story.
Acquaintances.
Kyogere mu Luganda.
Google search gwatulaba. Googling olabe ekigambo acquaintance kitegeeza ki? Okay, I should say tuli mu mulimu gwe gumu.
But you're not friends.
Nti we twesanga. I'll be high.
Oh.
I love Kapa's music. I'm sure she loves my music. Yeah. I've been on an interview with her. Yeah, I've been on one of the interviews with her, and she loves my music. That's why I'm sure she loves my music. I love your music, so I feel she's just a fan, and a fan, a female, Ali Mukulumirwa Martha, and just speaking out her mind.
My name is the one, the king himself, as always on Select Jazz. We're about exclusive interview, diving into ebintu ebimutalabalaba. We don't just do news, but we go deep into news. Together, finding that side of the story. It's always about allegations. We go to the source, finding out. This time around, we are in May, my birth month. Because some of my friends are doing big things in it, and today, guess what? I have the beautiful, the sexiest, the African lady, African queen.
Oh yeah.
You know I'm Maleyo. Amanyi sesenta nkokuwa n'omuntu gwe manyi bagamba nti susiza.
Byonna bimaleyo kubanga guno mwezi gwa kukisusa.
Okitegeera.
Gwa kujanjawaza.
Hi Martha.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Today you look more calm, more relaxed, and I don't expect you to be like that. What's up?
I need to rest.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to rest. So I need to rest because next few days my concert is on. So yeah. I'm just in my own zone, enjoying, feeling the vibe.
I know, right?
Yeah. Otherwise, birthday, Yali?
Yeah, 25th May.
25th.
Yeah.
Tutuyako cake.
Kasita munaleeta ebirabo.
Tolyako kino tujja kujja.
Ninasooka eno, then tuka tukimalira.
Eri tukimalira.
Okitegeera ekintu ekyo.
Yeah.
How have you been?
Good. Yeah. We thank God.
Amen.
Yes, everything is moving on.
Yeah.
A little bit of challenges, but ebirungi bye bisinga challenges.
It's been really long, me and you catching up, like sitting down and talking and all that.
In fact, mbali manyi okyabuze. Tonaba kuvaayo gy'oli obulidde.
Navayo. I thank God I came back and I'm alive and kicking and everything is going on. I'm blessed. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, which is very nice. Let's catch up a little bit. So okubi endongo, ojikubiza maanyi, tukulabya okiyingide. Tell me about your journey just in a few while. For those that have been really not catching up with you like me. Yeah.
Well, Martha Mukisa yatandika okwagala music nga akyali kawala kato. Natandika naye nga nsinga kwagala nnyo dance. So I started in cultural dances.
Yeah.
Mu masomero, mu church. Martha Mukisa agenze mu masomero agali Catholic founded schools. Nga St. Bali ku Ddembe. Era munasinga okufuna molding y'okuyimba eno. Growth y'okuyimba. So
wafunako interaction ne Paul Saka because he's my good friend and he used to okolera amasomero gata ennyimba. I don't know if you know him.
Neda safunako interaction naye music teacher wange eyaliwo by that time.
Yeah.
Twafuna olukusa to redo all the songs.
Okay.
Ezaali zikolebwa ebiseera ebyo. Museno koze muki.
Yeah.
All that music. Yeah, so nenfuna olwolukusa okubeerako ku St. Bali ku Ddembe nenvaayo. I started university. Mu university omwo mwe natandika okubeera omujagujagu nombalumbako ku bands ez'enjawulo. Yes, oluusi ne mba just ngenze ku having a fun ne bagamba anyone ayagala okuyimba nembeera nga ngendako nga nnyimba ku platforms wezityo mpolampola. Ewaka gyenzaalwa bazadde bange baagala nnyo music.
Okay.
Yes, naddala daddy wange amwagala nnyo.
So tewafunamu any hindrance from the parents oba family byonna mu family byali thumbs up for you? We go, we push you?
Yes, hindrance yoka olina kusooka kusoma. Okusoma kisinga obukulu daddy wange kyeyasinganga okuŋŋamba. Sooka okumala okusoma. People wanted to sign me then. Back then nagamba nedda. This is not yours. For you right now, you're supposed to be at school. Yeah. So finish your school. Afterwards, ogenda kulaba ekiddako. So my dad naleta studio waka.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, because we have like rentals. So one of the rooms take our studio. Nebabiranga waliwo enkwatagana ne producer. So that's how now when I tell you a few artists nabaja recording abamu. Yes.
Who are these artists?
Backing up.
If you're feeling free to mention names,
names.
Those that won't be offended, literally, yeah. Because abamu boogera kaga, Martha, watch Ayogeddeko, all that, yeah.
Era sigenda kati kwogera mannya gaabwe.
Nayogerayo ng'omanyi muno kyaliwo, ayinza feeling offended.
No, kuba abasinga tebamanyi that is why, because ennyimba zaabwe zaabeerangamu mu studio, so I used to back.
Nga tebamanyi
like the producer jakucha Martha jotekiremu dino eddoboozi limesinga mu luyimba lwagon, so I will not mention.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes. So
that means you are not paid, but you used to back them because of passion.
Because it's home and I just love this thing, and then you just have a love, you know?
Yeah. So you wouldn't mind whether you're paid or not.
You come from singing in the bathroom, backward the chance again ku mic. It is exciting. You just want to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So from studio, now I start recording my own music.
What was the name of the studio? At home?
At home. By 7 Stars.
Oh, 7 Stars. Okay.
Yes.
When I bayimbi abakolako mu 7 Stars. Those which year was that? Kale emyaka egyo. Just know that Martha used to back your songs because of her passion.
Yes.
Because of the love she had for the music.
For the music.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because of ekintu ekyo and dad nansaba nanga Martha wandika yakayimba alisiko ogenda mu studio naawe okoleyo your own song. So nempandika yakayimba kangawo ningina mu studio nekayimba. I did not look behind.
Which song was that?
Kali kayimba kaluzungu.
It's okay. You know that some people, because me I know, but some of our fans, that it's their first time actually watching this. Maybe you haven't actually said this anywhere else, and they want to know your journey. That's why I'm going to say same ko chap. So akayimba kana wakaita bat.
Akayimba kubaika over the river is taking me deep.
No, which river, Martha, was taking you there?
No. The best words that could come, byali mu luzungu.
Okay.
Yes, so I wrote this song. I need nothing, you gotta owe me some time. Check out, singa na kafu ya tribal tuzinyako buno buzina.
We should do the song. We'll do the song actually. Maybe in times like this, ntukamuko amapiano mix. Kayinza tukolera. Just think about that.
Yes.
So it looks like you grew up in a dad-mom homestead. Like dad home, mom home, other siblings were around?
Yeah.
How many were you?
For some time, it was dad home, mom home.
Okay.
Then, unfortunately, it was only dad and mom the other side. So you're with dad during school time, then holidays you can go visit mom. Yes, so nenkula webatu nenga twakula nga tuli bangi. Boarding from senior 1 to senior 4, that was Mitala Maria, St. Bali ku Ddembe. Then high school, Kitante Hill School, from form 5 to form 6.
Home school.
Gomanyi, manga wetwalobisanga baboda wali eri.
Soko kyogereko.
Ojiri nyalo gamba sebo ntwalako. Obo tukalinga ku kanjocha. Ngamba banaisebwe ate ozasirabide sente ku somero. n'ogibuukako n'agamba oba nkuze n'agamba akati transport wabiri kankome wano.
So some of these boarders see you now and do they remember you and be like,
I think so. There's even sometimes I'm border guy. I was kaya chuka ku border this guy natandika okukwana ngamba obugambo. Yes, ngamba obugambo. Nensirika nga kinnuma afterwards never ku border nenzuruka emisinde nenjingira gate. Nesakisasula noleza chaga
ngudde ko muyaye munange
Kyange.
Wow.
And kudos to all the kids that go to their school. Bambi bapambani bakabi. Yes. I know. Yes. Because me I remember I started doing business in high school.
Really?
Yes.
And which business was this?
I was selling jewelry.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I was
selling clothes.
Really? Nice.
Ekikumba ng'okikuba mukko abaana kusomero nga bayi weekend nga ozaffe twambala simanyi ebyo biki biki ate nga ffe tusalako kusomero
omutwala wali n'omutuuza teacher noma akano kalungi madamu nagamba okay come back at break time n'olyoka omuluma tazirina come back at lunch time nagamba omwana anneesibyeko ono
tebakuwala nako ko mu kirasi nga olwokuba obanjiza nnyo akasente
banaye but it was fun. I was entertaining
ka blazer nampalana mu kirasi.
Are you serious?
Ngatagala kunsasula
yakubanga kiboko.
I know it was in form 5.
Yeah.
So ngenda mu nacenga inga mu diti nga ndetera nakano Smith okalaba ekitufu kiri nti kajidde ku kyemeka kyetaano nawe ekisoma gena ku ntwalo 10-15 kati ka student teacher kano kali ka history nga kaikola ki kejaka nyezja nenkaga nekanga gena ku ntwalo 10 nekampa ke ntwalo 7 ekyebiri kyange nsoka nenkikola ki capital ne muzeyi waya padde kablaze kati no banja etano
jo
student teacher talemezaamu tutuka mu history nga kali kamanyi first class muvumo
manyi
student kyanga mpala nga ate tangoba mu history class ate nga nkola hegdi bannange ekyali awo. But anyways, be large up to all the hustlers out there.
I know, and our teachers babeera bakabi, you know, bali batubeererangamu.
Nina gwe nakobako ekivazi kyokka nange nenkyesala. Ati obimanyi naawe ngakyekiri ko tomanyi nga olugoye lwafulumye lwa fashion ebisati byaba Ivan Semwange ebise ebyaliko obitegeera kale nkimukuba nze simanyi tulina MDD party simanya biki ebyo nange ate nzija nkikoze kyali nkikubira ate ngekyange kifulaise antunya wati nga eno nefuuka mpala. So large up to hustlers. By the way, when someone looks at you, they don't think actually you've ever done that. Selling jewelry and all stuff.
Yes, I've non-stop to that. When I lived at campus, I did textile design and technology. Okay. It was a diploma. Nasoka nembera ngambera muba ushers. Ngena ne yasharinga. Omusajja buno obumanyi buno obutera okuzina ku mikolo yo buti. Obuzine nnyo nga bambadde
cyali bwa umalu.
Kuliko muba mitakim. Nasoka nembera nabo bagayi nga usharinga omanyi waliwo ebyo byali byazze ebyo ebyabawalambu balinganga bava mu nnyonyi.
Mbitegera mwambadde nga
yes. Nensoka nembiko. Yes. Nensoka nenkola ebyo kati. Wenalaba nga I can also do it myself. Nange nenkola ushering company.
Wanji?
Yes.
Mukama ho yakyamulisa kitya?
Just olemezaamu bulemeza. Nange nenkiforminga. Afterwards Mukama atuyambye, it has grown big.
Nice. Oh, you're still carrying it on?
Yes. Now now my mom is part of it and my sister. Okay. So my mom, it's a huge events company. Okay. Good. And we are planning for it to grow even or
but it started bigger. With you?
Yes.
Nice. That's good.
So it means when I getting a busy, their music, both they are now taking over. Yes, with my sister.
And thanks to all the parents that come out to support our hustles. You know, you see me hustling, let's say with media, and then you say, you know what, Smith, get this money or do this to get a camera and then support me. You see someone like a girl child doing like a boutique, a small boutique, you know, it gives us a push somewhere somehow.
Definitely. So we do bridal. Nice. We do hair. Okay. We do fumba kumikolo. So mutunoonyangako tuli awo wampeewaawo.
Mutunoonyangako. Naffe tukola photography and videography for events and corporate events, brand events. Na mikolo egyo n'embaga wumala oyo gw'olaba akwata kamera n'akuba abagole shots. Abagole ne beewuunya ne bagamba
bane mumpe ku ssente.
Era kirage ekimu eky'ekifaananyi gamba Umaru.
Bane mugule tiketi za show.
Okitegedde Umaru. King Montage bagambe bagule tiketi za show.
Nze wammwe
ebintu bya buli twesupport
okitegeera tulina okweyagalira mu nsi yaffe
okitegeera wano wennyini ayira kinda America okujja twagaliza
okitegeera
ate nga ffe
tuyinza ebyekolera.
So you go through that hustle and then you basically want to settle into music. What inspires you to settle into music nga tulwedde obaddeyo n'eri hustle etambule ya
Yes, first of all it is the support of my parents.
Nice.
Nze dadi wange yabeerangako ne ku video yange emu paka ku macha.
Shoot.
Yes.
Wow. Your dad
is
a different person.
Mami wange niwe mukubira zinsawo nomugamba nyabo yumuka genda ononye olugoye I'm going to perform somewhere.
Yeah.
Mami wange ajja kugenda mu wine eyo agendewa ano okitegeera mami olina program yonzijja njaga enviri ziri byayo ati sinabudde kanzi nkwatemu. So it's because those people baagala kyenkola.
Nice.
That's why I kept on going. Nengamba nsobola okutuuka. Secondly, God. But it is him. He's the center of everything kyenkola nze. Yes, so musaba nangaidinga. Yes.
Okay.
Musaba ate ne mwebaza. So tekikoma kusaba kokka.
Abamu tebagala kwebaza.
Ne mwebaza n'okwebaza. All time ejjanga just oyina kwebaza kati eno time gye ndimu mwebaza kuba ebisinga yabikoze dda. Yes, ebisinga yabikoze. So thirdly, I should say it's the love.
From people or from yourself?
Yes, the love for music.
Okay.
Because I love music, I will wake up and keep going. I'll wake up ningamba, okay fine, ejo tebyakoze bulungi. Ne music antusiza wano, let me try again. Oba ndinga naye, I have this at heart. Neyongerayo. Yes.
Okay, let's look at the transition from the Martha Mukisa of English to Martha Mukisa of Sisaga. It must have been a hard one, because me transiting from wanting to be a lawyer from school, everyone got to lawyer, nakulaba enongo yasama nachelera kusinga message why, what happened, what went wrong, you know.
Sigwe wekana enze nkyali lawyer, ndi lawyer mu saako zange zembeera nkolereyo obwa lawyer bwange. I also wanted to be a lawyer meanwhile. Naye nesanga ndi eri mu zi textile. So the transition tebadde mu science mungi nga we nagambye. Ebeera mu challenges naye okkiriza ezo challenges zikufuule the best of yourself. So those challenges zinfudde west. You can go in your bed, no cover, but do not stay in your bed.
You?
Yes. No yiwa amaziga ng'oli mu buliri ng'owulira ogusungu ogunugu, you know, okwetamwa, you know. But at the end of the day, do not, because it is okay to do that.
Yeah.
But then do not stay in that bed and have no kola party. Ya wiki namba. Ngoli maziga. No gula popcorn. Notandika okitegera okulaba film.
Cornflakes. Someone was telling me, I'm so depressed, I need cornflakes. I'm going to kale.
Waliwo bino byestaagala bino Pringles. Naye.
Abaana abo
siri basonyiwa. Omuntu nagamba nno ogenda mula nagamba nno omutwaliyo Pringles. Ogenda otuuka ku Pringles nga za bbeeyi bitya. Kyokka tebiwooma.
Oluusi nga nogera ekigambo gwe gusoose.
I'm sorry to the people who eat Pringles.
Oluusi nno kati nze omuntu ayinza okugamba naye nga n'ekigambo kunze gwe gusoose n'okiwulira. I'm like, okay. N'otambula supermarket.
Odde eri.
Kale nomalina okunoonyeza ku Google ndabe.
Pringles.
Naye bifaanana.
Yeah.
So let's talk about that challenge that really made you that one moment that really made you like wanna quit, wanna sob in your bed? But it always because Martha, when she's her voice, you know that when you practice in events, so that you feel her sexiness in her, that deep voice. Yeah, so at that one moment that you felt like giving up.
Yes.
And you sobbed for almost, I think, a week or 2 days or more that you've never actually cried for. Yeah, let's talk about that moment. So that one, maybe a girl child, maybe a boy child out there can feel like crying is okay, but need to get up. Which moment is that?
I think, okay, Nina moment James Jukira. I think let me just share that one.
Yeah.
And Jukira nagenda ko mu but that when they have open what?
Open mic?
No, open competitions where we tell you. Are they competitions over
auditions?
Auditions, yes, open auditions.
Yeah.
Is Eagles, the new Eagles.
New Eagles, yes. That break from Eagles production to New Eagles.
New Eagles. Yes. Nebaita. Nefuna mukwano gwange nga mumanyi tugende. Ne tugenda bani abantu bali bangi.
Wangi?
Abantu bali bangi. Until I got a chance of getting onto that stage and I sang whatever I sang.
Did you sing someone's song?
Yes.
I can imagine.
I think I sang Angela Kalule's song. Yes, I think Katiki Tiki, I think that was the song. Ninyimba byonna byenayimba.
Yeah.
Netuvaayo awo regulo ne batusiibula bajja tukubira ne tugenda mu kugenda nga tugenda mu motoka mukwano wange namugambira n'ogamba tewaliwo kyogenda kunkasikasa, they're not going to call us.
Why were you?
Mu maziga.
Because of the comments from the judges?
Because abasinga baali babayise. Bali babayise, so lwaki batugamba muno ffe bajja tukubira masimu kitegeeza bakugobye mu bulungi naawe bakugobye mu ngeri. Yes. So nagenda mu motoka mu taxi nga nkaaba maziga, but I remember Mbambi, my friend Lynette, yangumya nanga Martha, kachino chigana, there are other opportunities. You watch to go me because Bambi Yambo, she talked to me.
She was also an artist, like Yali, but like,
no.
She was just a friend that escorted you.
Yes, she's my friend, she's my sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there is that bond. Yes. Yeah. So Lynette, you know, Jolie. At this point, we are going for our first maiden concert. Can you imagine, babes?
Yeah. It was a dream. It was a dream.
It is a dream come true.
Yeah, I know.
It is a dream come true.
She's not in the country?
Mwali.
Okay.
Era ndoza agenda kuja ku concert.
Tumuite?
I know kuja.
It's an obvious case.
Yes.
So how long did it take you to recover from this competition? Okay, this open audition that made you cry, and then you'd be like, Martha, get up. You need to do this again.
I cannot really remember well. Naye personally is muntu like a happy person.
Yeah.
I love renewing my mind like day by day.
Yeah.
So I listen maybe to things that empower and inspire me and then maybe pull me out of my bed.
Yeah.
And maybe, you know, but then there are times when you can even just resort to now start partying, drinking, using, just kwebuzabuza, because remember you don't have a job or yimba, just kubeera, you know, so even jamu at that point, but then at the end of the day I realized that I'm like, okay, this is what I want, and because I want this I have to clean up myself and just be.
Why would you in the first place go for new Eagles? Because it's so much like band music, and now Sisa got these all others these band music.
Exactly. So what opportunity? Sometimes when they will take our opportunity, like, you know what? Then maybe or is no someone else can support you. Yeah. So music waffe wano. Kwa kati nze nga natandise okuyimba enyimba ezedda tendi wakabi.
Katulinde concert otusurprising. Onkubireyo kabasudde awo.
That's why when you see I can feel in nga nkoze ne mwami yawe yakantira nga ndine.
It was a powerful collaboration actually.
Thank you so much.
It was. The two collaborations that have really, it's not personal, but I feel like they were really powerful. You with Eddie Kenzo, it was a banger. I listened to the song before I think everyone else listened to it, apart from you. Yes, connections. Oh, man. So I listened to the song and I'm like, okay, this is a hit song. I told someone, and someone actually called me and be like, "We guy, we meant to Ayogedde, Namugamba, I told you." And then the song with Eddie, I didn't listen to. I listened to that I think after like about 2 days of release, and I was like, yo, you know, by then I was actually, I think after Carol Nantongo's collaboration, I remember it was powerful. So you go into studio with this same guy and something is really way beyond the board, and I'm like, okay, oh no, you must have good money, or what's then I'm like, okay, this is another banger. It was those were really my songs.
Thank you.
Yeah, so let's talk about in movies, because I love movies. We talk about the twist. So let's talk about the twist or the turn of things, with you and your music. Yeah. So before I talk about your breakthrough, let's talk about the turn of things, So how do you turn from I would say the original youth band, because you like old music and stuff like that, now turning to the urban Afrobeat. Let's talk about that turn and when it happened.
The Martha is versatile. Always the Martha was versatile. She's a viber. She just wants to enjoy. She loves melodies. She just wants to enjoy music. So I think the turning point is now being signed to Black Magic Entertainment in 2020. Because now this is a team of people. When music comes in, they are listening to different vibes. So it's the vibes that turned things. The vibes of everyone, because of Murimo team.
Before you were not with a full team, you had like how many people working with you?
Before it was just me and just one of my friends. Who was trying to help me run things then.
I know, right?
Yes. So I think now meeting the team, now it's business. I'm looking at this more of commercial.
More of Kamane.
Yes, Kamani.
Passion is wearing a cut.
So now this is how things done. This is how now they start thinking of strategies like who can work best with our artists. Tunonyo Victoruz, Tunonyo Eddie Kenzo. So these are all ideas of these guys on my team.
That's where the turn came in.
That's where all this other music you have in way, but no labanga trees or what never because of the together vibes.
Okay, so let's talk about the breakthrough. Everyone you hit us with a banger, and then all of a sudden we see Martha Mukisa, and then all of a sudden we see Eddie Kenzo on the tune. How did it happen? Was this still about the team, or it was your initial input?
Tunamalako leero abatuuliza nga tebali ku kamera bali eri bindala nga ate bo babuze dda
atubazeeyo mu Luganda. So breaking the through, abantu bakulabye bakutegedde Martha Mukisa, who Martha Mukisa is, but they are still wondering, ani Martha Mukisa akoze ne Eddie Kenzo. Was this your breakthrough, or there was another breakthrough that tutatageera ko ngaffe abantu?
That was my breakthrough. Okay. That was the biggest song I had by that time.
Yeah. This is 20.
That is 2021.
Yeah.
Ngetandika. So it was the biggest song, and everyone related with it, and everyone was saying, "Obono mwala avawa. Is she American? Is she Ugandan?
Is she Nigerian?
Is she Nigerian? Is she Rwandese? Is she what?"
Nigeria, America.
You guy.
You
guy. Look at this chick here.
Hey, what are you saying now?
Yeah, so
if you were in studio, I was gonna make you stand up and be like, turn around. Show them what your mama did.
So netandika okubeera nga abantu mbatuuza obufofofo ate olimba ne lukuba nnyo. It was Sango is one of the biggest songs that my songs that have the hugest number of views. Yeah, when you go online and streams, when you go online. So from there I did not look back, even though people are saying like, oh, agena kuzako. I wrote Tebatuchawa and I was like, Martha Mukisa, Sisa Aga.
Tagline now, so
now I'm fucking gonna do a show. Chicholiko now.
One of the biggest places in Uganda.
Yes.
Yo.
By some of church, you said, please help me with my water.
I just love talking to
my friends. We're in America.
Yeah, I just like talking to my friends during the show because the whole show is a vibe and the whole show is we just be vibing. So after this breakthrough, the streams coming, the command starts coming in, then let's talk about the tagline. Abasinga tagline, Ebatawanya nyo Martha. And then you come with Sisaga. What inspired you? Why Sisaga of all words?
It was, I think, it just came up. For starters, it just came up. How?
Yeah.
Do you want me to give you that?
Yeah, you should, because you know me, when I'm talking to you, literally, I want people to understand the way I understand you. Yeah. Because so many people want to relate with the Sisaga, right? Because badeka wala bukakozesa wale ugamba Sisaga nengamba yo mwino okumanya kigambo kyo twachijja. Now I was talking to your friend Zizaba Fana, and then the other day I was talking to King Mike, and then that whistle thing, and he explained how it came about, and everyone actually all the comments were about okay akakantu kafuwa ulijjo wekatowekajja then Zizaba Fana bwe mugagamba tagline ye weto yajja so kanjogereko ku ya Sisaga abantu bamanye gye yava.
So tagline ya Sisaga ekituufu kiri nti yo yeekola bwekozi. Naye ntera nnyo kurelatinga mu magye. Before you get a dog tag, you have to work hard to get that what?
Dog tag.
Yes. Oba ezo initials ezo zibeerako. Tinibagamba tiyegwe
Sergeant Gundi.
No, nabo babeera n'amannya gaabwe ge beeyita.
Code Lion.
Yeah, Code Lion, Code Bichi, you know, Zebra 1. What? So before you have to work hard for it.
Yeah.
So it was something I worked hard for. So mba nteekamu, I think my buno obusembayo mu feelers omwo. So I'm like, Martha Mukisa, Sisaga. We all then netuzoka nogamuno tukasangulemu tukajemu.
You're working with which producer by then?
That was Brian Beats.
Okay.
Yeah, that is Brian Beats. So then after your Brian Beats nakalekamu nekagenda.
Which song is this?
That is Tebatuchawa. Olimba ne lufuluma. Olimba mufuluma. Ntandika oluperforminga abantu wogama Martha Mukisa nga babo bazzeemu dda Sisaga. So neefuuka engombo nga relatinga nnyo ku Martha ne gye nvudde. Abantu bangi nnyo minwa because I'm a jolly woman. Ndi, you know, bamanyi nsaaga naddala ebintu ebimu balowooza bwe mbikola kati nga ngenda okukola ama bagamba asaaga neziŋŋakanya bagamba naye tugenda mu Sisaga concert. Okitegeera? So ebintu ebimu nzize era ani ono Jacob omutuuze akyayogera nti no omanyi bw'olivaamu okusaaga you're going to become bigger than you think. Naye nze nkanya mugamba naye nze sebo Sisaga ndi siriyaasi. So Sisaga relatinga Martha Mukisa as a person ate ne bafanzi bange tebasaaga batandika okumpaagira
Tebasaaga. So that's how it came about.
Yes.
Niceness. So really, there's so many things I would want to ask, but because of time we'll run through chap. So so after that, not what bangers as awendala, why what consideration chizo sinzirako kulonda collabos? Because your collabos look to be picky. Yeah, if I don't know the Benchilaba, they look really to be picky. You're not a person that will just do with literally everyone. What do you consider? What would you to know leader?
The team.
It goes back to the team.
Yes, it's not a decision of Martha Mukisa alone. The team. Sometimes it's just one person who suggests something. Then omula nachiendo singer. Martha I also fall in love with it. Sometimes I don't even like the idea. Ngendo tu kayo, I fall in love ngandi mu studio ngamba okay, you guys were like you this has become something. So sometimes it's me and I'm like, guys, what do you think of this person?
Have you written down a name of all those artists you want to collaborate with?
No.
All the team has?
No.
They just come up with an idea?
I just leave it to God and how ebintu ebirina okutambula.
Yeah.
So ogenda okukola omwezi oguddako nga waliwo gwokolaganye naye ne mukola. Yeah, so tebiri nze sibiteekamu science mungi.
Which of the collaborations are single about hard time nga team, you and your team that you're working with? Jumagamba, that was a hustle, man.
Yeah.
It wasn't easy to get in studio with the idea, with the song, even writing it was something that really took us a hell time.
I'm over in Abiri.
Yeah, it's okay.
First of all, Victor Rose, kuba twali mu lockdown.
Yeah.
So recording was a bit tricky. Even video shooting was a bit tricky. Twatuka even video shoot.
Yeah.
Etuka musawe exceeding jukira waliyo curfew. So it was a bit tricky. Attend the same a bad time. Katono.
Yeah.
Struggle yali nyingi.
Yeah.
Then the other one I should say Neteze. Yes, Neteze gave us a little bit of challenges, but then it was it. Yes.
After or before?
Before and after.
Both.
Yes, both.
That
both,
story,
both,
man.
Both. Yes.
That story, yeah. How did you overcome? Trust me.
Yeah.
I was praying for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was something else, yeah. How did you overcome?
We just left things to run the way they were supposed to run. Yes.
That's all.
That is all.
Any message to people out there that have gone through such, and any message to them?
Ebintu bireke bitambule nga bino toteekamu science mungi topushinga nnyo kintu twemalaako mirembe. Let's always be positive. Ekintu always kirabemu positive obulungi. Yes, so look at the positive, totunulira nnyo ekibi ekivuddeyo.
Okay.
Yes.
So okay, you've told us ebimu byogera to. Do you look at vocal maturity or vocal ability? Because I know you twadde mu kuyimba era kamuno you train a lot and you know until always in your band music old music ngatafa ku ddoboozi. Do you consider that nga oli mu kintu kyagundi kyakushuzinga collabos?
Yes, and it has been a lot of learning. Zino collaborations zonna buli omu gwe nkoze naye ninake mu pickingako from Victor Rose to Baza to Eddie Yawe to Eddie Kenzo to Ziza Bafana. It is a lot of learning from these guys. Kwa bali talented ate basajja. So nina bingi byemba pickingirako nange nembireta nembiteekako eno mu Kyange.
But ngenda okujja, why haven't you collaborated with women? Or you're into males a lot, into boys a lot. You're a tomboy, you want to tell me that, yet I don't really see you into it. Why men?
Why men? There's nothing but why men banange.
Why men artist matter?
Chize buzinti no right now nakakola ko nemel. Naye nja kola ko n'omukyala. Kwanza njaga nnyo kola n'abakyala. I love working with women. I love working with women. In fact, I love even, for a child, even that, I see it even with my friends. My friends were first best friends even. I remember when I was in class, both my two friends, Nalisi Vaga, Bari Bekoza nnyo.
In class.
Nani twamala tufuka ba mikwano. Nenga nakagende kitante. Nali nvudde nengenda bo bayi basomeddewo. So nali nga bayine embeera
sireyinga biti simanya biti
bawanikanye emikono
matana obusongo buti ne bukuluma
sikulimba bawanikanye emikono bebasooka okufuluma mu bageze mu breakfast bakomyewo n'ebyokulya bingi ng'ovuddeyo waka bakwadde 12 bannange kwegamba yinako obuzibu beeyogeza luno oluzungu luno babes bannange naye afterwards they became my friends
nga busiranga obujja be babumanyi
and they are good people.
Nice.
Ate ne tujja ku ground yemu ne tubeera nga tweyagala ate ne twagala okweyongera mu maaso. So I love working with women. Tulina ekibeera kyaffe naye ekibeera ekyo those flows ze zitugatta wetuti ne tufuna.
Let's look at the women that are around in the industry right now. What are some of those names that we should expect on either your album, your EP, or after the concert and coming through?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do not know, but I love to work with almost all of them. Abakabi, abachikuba, njaga nnyo kukolagana nabo. netukolayo ekintu kyamaanyi.
Let's look at your playlist. Things that you're listening to right now. Let's start with the female music in the country. Which ones are you listening to of recent?
Right now, I'm only listening to
who have you been listening to before? Actually, let's take back the trailer a little bit. Who have you been listening to?
Who?
In your phone, in your iPad, in your car, at home?
No, because of
in
the
your
concert.
Stereo.
Because of the concert, right now I'm listening to Martha.
Let's drop back a little bit.
But I feel right now that the Bailando song is on.
That is
Vinca.
Vinca, yes.
Yes, I think the Bailando song is doing it.
Okay.
Yes.
You've listened to it?
Yes.
Okay, any other song?
Do that everywhere you go.
Even if you're wanting to listen to your music, you listen.
You're Kawiyanga Kasabula, yeah. So I think Bailando is doing so good. Azawi is doing good. I love Winnie Nwaji. I love Shiba.
Okay.
I love Irene Tale. I love Spice Dana.
I would want to see you on a collab. Okay. Nandi akada okulaba ku luyimba with Irene Tale. I feel like something would be magical. I don't know. I'm just saying.
Yes.
I feel like something would be magical.
I would also love it.
Yeah,
I would also love it.
So okay, let's go to the main playlist. Nyagala kuwena ku Kivulu kati kwanza byoyogera bino mbamanyi live bagenda okuba ku Kivulu nesi badde sagala kubuusa. So we are all with Mukisa Sisaga live in concert. That is Freedom City. Tugenda kwata obuya ticket now inzo zijja entebe emenza zameka and all that. We just wanted to drop back a little bit. Tukachinga up n'omuntu tugenda okulaba ku stage that day nga tumumanyike ebintu ebimu. That was olaba Winnie Nwaji ku Kivulu teweewunya omanya kyali wa mwagala dano okukola naye. Olaba Irene Tale, olaba Shiba, olaba Vinca, olaba any botanaba ku collaboze it's an automatic thing.
Yes.
So with men,
with men,
this playlist jotera owuliriza ko wadde owulira nga bakubira nga gwe kayimba kaabo ng'okayina
nkawulira
ng'okawulira
abasajja baani Oma-Africana.
I've ever heard of him.
Bikolo siriko bekomwanjo.
Yes, yeah.
Bintu byallo. Oyo guy yankolera ennaku zino. Alina oluyimba lwe baluyita kandi ezange. Mu mutima omulungi nze mundeke nziri ezange. Nana.
Umaru yasinga obumanyi obwo.
Umaru olifano Oma-Africana sebo.
Mumanyi. Nze mind I'm into so much like sijja byoga abayimbi bajja kumpala n'abamu.
Yes, so much in what?
Ennyimba zentera owuliriza.
Owiza ziriwa?
Zizo.
Onnina leero.
Okitegedde?
A new song, Marita Astagada. Oba kitegeeza ki?
Tujja mubuuza. So any other male that you listen to?
I love Jose Chameleone.
Yeah, One King Joseph.
Yes. Do you know that those times I just listen to the big three?
Oh.
Yeah.
So let's talk about that. The big three, Bebe Cool, Bobi Wine, and then Jose.
I love them. That is all I can say.
PC being a diplomatic singer.
I love them. That is all I can say about those three. Yes. Maybe there's times I wake up and then now I listen to Papa Misach. I listen to Maureen Nantume.
Yeah. She's a lovely lady.
Name Puliriza, Sophie Nantongo. Name Puliriza, Catherine.
That catalog.
Go jimanyi ku Sunday.
Okitegeera ku
macha. Wete gali.
Oyinza okagala kuva mbuliri naye nga tolina obuvaamu. Nobera mu nyumba.
Osika akamereko we bati. Nga oyimba mwa.
Yeah, I know. By the Papa Misach has a new song Katluiseo. Barita Museno okozeemu ki.
That is a Senbali Kudembe song and I was very happy.
I know, right?
Yes. Papa Misach, I want to do that song with you.
On your show. Tichimugamba je kubanga he also has a show, I think.
Yes.
But on your show.
I wish, oh my God, I want to do that song with you. That is one of my favorite songs.
And it's Paul Saka that wrote the song.
That is
telling you Paul Saka is from.
Yes, is a nyimba twaziddamu recording. So bindi wano ku mutima.
Buli kigambo.
Si buli na kigambo, that times, the memories when I was in that school.
Wow.
Man, Papa Misach, that song webale nnyo kona waawo nnyo webale.
Kale, Mukisa, running through the catalog of your own songs.
Yeah.
Which one have you been really that has been on your mind lately? Don't tell me all your songs.
Tondeka kemebwa kuba ku kyalo kuliko ne banno banda bantagala baby ndaba ku kigwe tondeka kemebwa kuba ku kyalo kuliko ne banno muwedde.
That is a song on your mind right now.
On my mind.
Every time, every single second.
Every second. I'm sorry to my other babies, but this new baby
is your new baby.
Is my new baby.
You love him or her so much.
She's a she.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So rehearsals are underway, but I can't let you go without talking about stuff that has been happening. Obviously, you had to go through some other hell of breaking news and breaking stories with your fellow female artist. What's going on, you people? What's up, Mata? What's up?
There's nothing. What's up?
What it is?
Nothing.
No, you're lying.
I'm not lying.
Okay,
why should I lie?
What's up? Like you should tell us. Do you know about the story? What's up? Like why are you female artists fighting yourselves? Like I don't even know how to ask the question literally. Just tell me about everything so that even your fans can get to know.
Well, why is someone speaking out their mind called fighting? Me, I just saw someone who was speaking out her mind. Kunsongai. Whereby I have a concert, whereby chirungi to have such debates. Kubanga zezituyamba okuggrowinga mu music ono gwe tulimo. So me, I just saw someone who's just speaking out her mind.
Yeah.
Ayogedde. Now we have a debate. Now the show is just 6 days because you're not turning back. So we're just calling out to the supporters now. Okulaga that we can do it. Nina kubira chakulabirako. Nga Spice, Azawi, Winnie Shiba, n'abakyala bali abasooka, Juliana, Irene Nambiru, nga bwe bakikola ne babeera inspiration. Amoso ngenda nange kweyongerako ku ekyo. So that omulala anajja addamu amani n'agamba no, if Gundi did this, I can do it. Aye nange omulala wanaaba alina show nja kuvaayo full zone mu supporting kuba bannange nabo bakoze eki bansupporting nze. So I feel that is just someone speaking out their mind.
Have you been friends with Kapa before all this? If I ask you my maiden question of that story.
Acquaintances.
Kyogere mu Luganda.
Google search gwatulaba. Google olabe ekigambo acquaintance kitegeeza ki? Okay, I should say tuli mu mulimu gwe gumu.
But you're not friends.
Nti we twesanga. I'll be high. Oh. I love Kapa's music. I'm sure she loves my music. Yeah.
Are you friends? Okay. Have you ever had a talk like a length talk or a minute talk or three?
That's why I'm going to the acquaintances. I've been on an interview with her. Yeah, I've been on one of the interviews with her, and she loves my music. That's why I'm sure she loves my music. I love your music, so I feel she's just a fan, and a fan, a female, Martha, and just speaking out her mind.
Let me ask you this question. Okay, is a mubadi? Have you ever done any kabadi?
Nedda.
Walokoze kabadi mu career yo?
No.
Why? Because people are thinking this is kabadi. People are playing on our minds in just to push the post. How true is this?
I do not know. Naye buli kimu kisobola okujja nga kalinganga kabadi. Olaba nga wojjeko galubindi zeezo. Olaba bikoli kabadi ku bantu kulaba. Ku maaso go okitegeera. So ekintu kyonna kyonna mu ngeri gyo buba bubadi. Buba bukodyo.
But you didn't know about this? Nti oba kabadi oba byaddala? Oba byaddala nga akulumba byaddala? Yagala mufisitingemukko.
Then angambe kati tulabe ekyokola.
Oyina mu dansolo? Wagayina ng'agamba batalina dansolo. Oyina mu dansolo Martha?
Golowooza ki?
Oba wamazaawo dansolo?
Golowooza ki?
Nze mmanyi okuba osawulamu abatakumanya
koona wano.
Singa tubateekayo bato manye dda twalinanga zizi kamiliyoni bebekulu etugamba Martha ku stage A, Kapa ku stage B. Walaani owulira giraavuzi zo oyagala blue corner oba red corner? producer nga kibuuzo teyakingambye kibuuza naye kankibuuza kubanga oli kyali bange ayagala blue corner red corner era oyinza okunyumira gy'obeera nti ofittinga mu gloves awo bulungi. What's your best color?
My best color, black.
Okay, so I would give you black panties. What's your next best color to black?
Only black.
Another option. Today
Only
don't put him on black. I'm surprised.
That's why I have my glasses. They are black. Bichimuka chenda chitinga cha black. Okuba zino galubindi.
Interview eno ajibuze sipidi. Anyways, we're coming to the end of the show. That has been there. I don't know Wakabadi, but you've told us gubade tobimanyiko, but you think someone is okay to speak up their mind and you wouldn't have a problem with it.
Tulina okweyagalira mu nsi yaffe. Twaweebwa eddembe ery'okwogera.
Bwe yagala ayogere.
Yeah.
Okay. How many days to the concert as we come to it?
6 days.
6 days?
Yeah.
You feel you're ready?
Definitely.
Why Freedom
Come
City?
On. Like for real?
Yeah, for me.
On 6 days, you ask me if I feel ready.
I can ask you this even one day to the show. Some people become nervous. Some people even some people pee in their panties on
but
the
nervous
rehearsals.
Is good. Nervous is good. Nervous is good. It is good. It makes you human. You're human. You have something big that is coming. You have to be anxious, nervous. You have to have a little bit of fear.
You're not even losing weight. I'm surprised. Your people lose weight towards their concert.
I've lost weight meanwhile.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh
no, I not lost weight. I've gotten some shaping.
Okay.
Yes.
You like it?
Yes, I like it because I've been working out. I've been taking care of drinking a lot of water.
Tell them we're on water. All of us are drinking water.
So,
glass yo yasisa ku Kyange. Producer yampadde yange. Ne tujja gendera awo ng'oli serebo okunsinga. So Martha, why Freedom City nga tumaliriza?
Why Freedom City?
Why not Cricket Oval? Why not hockey grounds? Why not all these other places that everyone has been going to? Why Freedom City of all places?
Because it's Freedom City. And that is where it's going to be on the 12th of May. Freedom City it is. Freedom City is going to be. Chimanyi tulina gye twagala okweraba eyo nga tukikubye tugendeko mu Cricket Oval tugendeko
Serena
ekisaawe bakitata
hockey grounds
Nakivubo nga bagimaze. But then let us start small. We shall grow big. I want to go to Serena. Inshallah nange njagala ndabeko ku O2.
Yeah. Amen.
Yeah, so
sisaaga mitwalo 2, 5 and emeza ya meka?
Ordinary mitwalo 2, VIP mitwalo 3.
3, yes.
Emeza ojja n'emikwano gyo 6 ne mweyagalira mu nsi yammwe ku kakadde kamu kokka.
Ake
Uganda.
Keti Promotions yakikutemu mukono Haji.
So sad Haji wange yafiiriddwa naye.
We push on, we go.
Haji Mukama akugumye ne family yo. And I wish you the best. I wish us the best mu kintu kyaffe kino kye tugenda okukola. Yes.
Abasinga badde batidde nga bagamba Martha Freedom City kinaggwa.
Kino okugwa.
Nefa bakumanyi tukimanyi kino okugwa.
Yes.
Kubanga tetusaaga.
Bali eyo bangi. Baagala kujja. So gwe fani wange oli eyo kwata munnoowo ku mukono ojje naye. Ojja osange bannoobe abalala abatasaaga bajja kubeerayo ku Freedom City nga beesunze Martha Mukisa nange mbeesunze you guys. I'll give you lots of kisses when I'm on stage.
Stage tuginyako sawa meka because now we can break at least the ice. Engeri nti ennaku ziggwayo speed. Yes.
I think 8, 9 your girl will be on stage.
Live, semi-live oba kasidi?
Live.
Live.
Yes.
Line up, you're looking at who and who? Just icebreaker?
No, muje mu byerabireko.
Surprise from in Uganda and outside Uganda, or from outside Uganda, kagenda tuleteyo abantu batukuberaga nga tubamanyi.
Surprise only international acts. Yo. Yes, we only have international acts in Uganda. What are you talking about?
Hey!
Victor Rose is an international act.
Okay.
Martha Mukisa international act.
Yeah.
Baza international act.
Z is about fun.
Bonna only international acts bibagenda okubirayo.
Kale, your last words abantu ticket bazijjawa once again. Do you deliver nga gwe? Uyinza okwanjja kugula table nenga ya Martha Mukisa go bojja.
gwe kati kwata essimu enamba y'essimu eno ogikubeko 0701
094 691
gwe kuba essimu eyo ogambe nze njagala muyimbi ajje nina tebo ye wano
akakadde
ajje naye ate kijja kusukka nnyo ogamba nina obukadde bwange butaano gula tebo ttaano obeera okisusiza nnyo ate n'okikuba
ate oba tosaaga
agalira mu nsi yaffe eno Uganda na 12 May ku Freedom City mbaagala nnyo.
Emiryango gigulawo sameka?
Emiryango saawa emu
ey'okumakya
beera nga otandise okwetegeka kuba jjaamu ennaku zino mungi gwe zuuka saawa emu otandika okwetegeka biri awo kitundu otandika okutambula mpola mpola oba otambuza bigere ng'oli kwa kumpimpi ojja kutuukira mu budde.
N'oba oli wawala linnyawo kookada taxi baasi jangu osule na Kampala
obeerewo olunaku olwo lunyumirwe.
Kale, thank you so much Martha. It's been a pleasure hosting you and catching up once again. Byetayogeddeko nga mubyagala mubiteeke mu comments tujja byogerako nga 12 May nga tuli ku Freedom Stage njja bimuforwardingira ku ssimu ye abeere nga abiddamu byonna wali ku stage either mu nnyimba mu kwogera oba mu actinga because I know she can act well. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. It has been Martha Mukisa Sisaga live in concert 12 May ennaku z'omwezi nga 12 mujje tumuwagire tuwagire ekyana kyaffe kibebi kyaffe ate tulabe muno tupushinga Ugandan music to the next level. N'ekibuuzo kye sikubuuziza, you heard about the federation?
Wakibuuziza ekibuuzo ekyo
federation eno saakutegedde saakola kuli
sheno tewedde
twagala nnyo bateekamu sente King Montage Studios Jesse Tours and Travel ate sibe bokabokaboka then n'aba GTM computers abasangibwa awo Kampala Road ku Kintu Plaza mugende eyo mubeere nga mubawagira ku buli computers zonna ngenda kwogera ne mukama wange Dennis wa GTM computers so basobola okugabayoko maybe MiFi maybe laptop oba computer ku kivulu kya Martha Mukisa wino naffe tuwagire wetu so jangu ng'omanyi wajja kubawo ne a lot of goodies to win. My name is the one the king himself kozene producer Umar kweno kamera ate nga ava mu King Montage Studios nenkola ne the beautiful Vanessa kweno side nga ava mu Jesse Tours and Travel. So tukwatagana olunaku oludako. My name is the one the king himself. We sign out.